Let's say I was learning AI agents from scratch in 2025 to sell them to businesses or even to build and use as some free lead magnets. How would I go about doing that? Well, I've come up with a 3-step framework I would follow. The first step is what I like to call problem research. And this is where we essentially validate the idea or the solution that we are coming up with. The first thing we want to think about is what the problem is that we need solving. It has to be a painful problem that we are solving for either ourselves, our ideal customer that we are building the AI agent or AI automation for. This is assuming that you are at a stage where you already know the difference between AI agents and basic AI automations, which is an AI agent is able to think and make decisions by itself, as opposed to traditional AI automations like Say and Make, which only have a linear approach based on a set of instructions that you have already given it. So looking at what problem we are solving, number one, and number two is finding out if these problems are valuable. So the problem that we are solving, are people paying money out there for it right now? Is it a really painful pain point that there's a market of people, cash in hand, and are they paying out for it? If there's competition, then there's competition for a reason. It works. And the third thing that I would think about is these solutions that are already out there. Are there any solutions that where there's gaps that we can clone and potentially create similar solutions but cheaper and still maintaining the same level of quality? Because companies and businesses are already always looking to cut costs and save money where they can if the solution is going to be just as robust and the quality is going to be just as high, not just a cheap solution that's going to get bad reviews and not even get off the ground, essentially. And those are really the main three things that we would look at. The quickest way that I would advise is by using, of course, AI, because AI has got the legs and the strength to do all of this research for you. And more specifically, I'm talking about ChatGPT 5 here, which I like to use. There's other platforms that you can use as well. You can use Claude, you can use Gemini, but personally, this is the one that I go to. And here's a simple prompt that I have used. Feel free to pause the screen if you want to copy it, write it down, whatever you want to do. Do some online research, find me some of the most high demand, low competition, unusual AI agent automations that businesses are already paying for in 2025. These need to be focused on e-commerce like Shopify, TikTok Shop, and must need no coding experience. I need 10 ideas to start with. Then you can analyze them and recommend your top 3 picks from those and justify why. These ideas must not require any paid APIs and can be built natively on platforms like SmithOS, which is the platform that I like to use to build AI agents. That's the prompt, and this is the result that ChatGPT has come up with in only just 42 seconds. As you can see, we've got 10 ideas: competitor, price, stock, watchdog, UGC, creator, sourcer, review, mining, and auto response. A number of different ideas, but it has picked 3 out of all of those ideas for me, and it's justifying why those are some really robust ideas to consider. The angles that it's looked at is the demand, it's looked at the low competition factor. Is the demand high and is the competition low enough? And it's also looked at the no-code as well. Can this solution be built in a no-code platform like SmithOS or whatever platform you like to build in? It's also giving me the components that I would be using within SmithOS to build the solution here. So components, for those not aware, these are the tools that you'll be using to build. They're like the pots and the pans and the ingredients that you'd use if you were a chef, or the toolbox you'd need if you're a mechanic or a plumber. And it's specifically saying, hey, in order to build this, you'd probably need the scheduler component, you'd probably need a browser fetch component, as well as a JSON parser or HTML, difference checker, Google Sheets, email drafts, no paid APIs. So straight away, I know that I can build a solution natively within this platform that I already know how to use, which is really, really powerful. And it does the same breakdown for all these different ideas that it's come up with here. If you don't use ChatGPT or like Chat for whatever reason, don't worry, I've done exactly the same thing with Claude here, which is one of my favorite LMs here outside ChatGPT. And again, it's done exactly the same thing. This is the prompt. You can pause and copy the prompt if you want to. And these are the results that it's come up with. It's done exactly the same thing and chosen 3 top results out of that as well. And we've also got Google Gemini, which has also done the legwork and come up with these ideas as well. In fact, I think Google Gemini has come up with a ton of information here. I like how it's represented it as well. It's got this table, which I can export to Google Sheets and work through the different ideas here. And it's got a ton of different information that I can look through, which is really powerful. I'm really, really impressed actually compared to ChatGPT and Claude. And it's actually presented in a way that I can export out of Gemini and look at separately. But it's Google, no surprises there. By the way, if you are finding value from this video, be sure to drop us a quick big if you could. And I do drop information like this on a weekly basis for free if you're one of those people that also likes to read read. It takes about 5 minutes to read. It's called the Ecom Brief, and it's a free newsletter. I'll link it in the description if you would like to join that as well. Back to story. So that is step 1, problem research. So step 2 of our 3-step framework is finding a simple AI platform. Now, I've already spoken about the one that I like to use, SmithOS, for a number of different reasons. Reasons being it's easy to use. You build AI agent and ship them within about 90 seconds. Best case scenario here, which is literally natural language that you use, no coding, nothing complex. And again, going back to ChatGPT here, remember it's already hinting at what components we are going to need in order to build these AI agents. So by the time I'm going into the platform, I know what tool set I'm going to need, and all I need to do is just type it in here, and this is going to start to build it for me. These are some examples of AI agents that I've built in the past. You can also go into this template section on the top left menu where you can use pre-AI agent solutions and just remix them, just make them your own, rename them, add some tools, remove some tools, and get them to work the way that you like to work. You've got Zendesk Leads Manager, Job Description Compliance Agent, PDF to Text Convert, SEO Content Writer, Transparent Image Maker, a bunch of different toys that you can play with here. But now that I know what agent I'm building based on the research, I can go ahead and get these built and shipped very quickly with SmithOS. Remember, you're not always going to get it the first time. You may need to go through 3, 4, 5, 6 different AI automations or AI solutions before you get to the one that resonates with your customer base and that pays you enough to justify continuing, and that you enjoy working with enough to do it in the long run as well. Another thing to take into account as well when it comes to choosing a simple platform to build these types of AI solutions is speed, ease of use. I've covered that as well, but also having the right tools, community, and documentation, which again, we've got a Discord community here with SmithOS, and you've got all these different tools that you can use. You can bring in data from outside the platform if you want to use it. If you purchase subdomain, you can add them on here. You can look at analytics. You can add your API keys and authorize all other platforms that you're using, so you can build your agents with those connections already in place within this sort of environment here, which makes life so much easier. So we've now researched the problem. We've now got a simple platform that we can use in order to build the solution. But the next thing is, of course, how do we deploy this? How do we make this available quickly and easily to the people that we're building it for, so they can test it, play around with it, give us feedback, pay for it if they're already willing to donate and pay for it? Or how do we even test it ourselves before we send it to those people to test out, friends, family, whatever? And what we can do with SmithOS, it allows you to deploy your AI agent once you've built it, and you can deploy it as what's called a GPT. A GPT is like this little app within ChatGPT. The infrastructure is already pre-built. You just essentially name it, configure it, and make it available to the people that you want to make it available to. So if I go onto ChatGPT here, open the menu, go into GPTs. These are some examples of some GPTs that are already available. You've got astrology, birth chart, Scholar GPT, fitness, workout, diet, Monday. You've got some writing, AI humanizers here. So if I click on this one, it tells you what it does, its credentials, how many people are using it, its ranks, feedback, and so forth. And you can start a chat with it just based on that. All you do is just go into, again, ChatGPT here, you go into GPTs, and then you go into create. Once you click on create, you're going to be given this screen here. On the left is where you do the creation and bringing things together, and on the right is where you can test your GPT to make sure that it's giving results that it's meant to be giving. If you click on configure as well, you can name it, you can describe it, instructions, conversation starters, as well as some other bits and bobs of information depending on how complex you want your GPT to be. If you click on create new action here, you can actually import a schema, which is a description, documentation, or map that takes all the complex information that ChatGPT needs from SmithOS in order to be able to build the inner works of the GPT and get it to function exactly as it is functioning here. And this is where you can enter that information. You can put your schema in here, and that schema, by the way, is going to be up once you click on the deploy button. And just like that, you've got an AI agent that you've researched that is based on real data, real information that you have now built on a simple platform like SmithOS here, that you know as well that if this one doesn't work, you can build them at scale and you can fail fast, learn move on to the next one, fail, learn, move on to the next one until you get to the one is the golden goose for you. And then of course, you've now deployed it as well as a GPT. If you want to get into the weeds of how exactly do you plan these AI agents in detail, how do you interact with SubmitFest in order to get the best possible result, the video on the screen will walk you through exactly how to get all of that done. Once again, if you want this to be sent to you in writing weekly for free, be sure to check out the Ecom brief, which will be linked in the description. I'll catch you in the next one.